Twan Beatmaker, the hitmaker.
See, the problem is, man, me, I be going to fuck in, nigga. Y'all niggas, well, you gotta get out. I go in, you get out, you get out. I go in, you get out, you get out. I go in, you get out, you get out. Now get out, now get out, now get out, now get out. All these auto-tune rappers with the snap pop shit. I'm on that back block shit. I mean that crack rock shit. They on that bubble gum shit. They got winter fresh raps. Shit, you need to use your brain. Where's your intellect? At it go. Face down, B's up. All these niggas cream puffs. Got a stack in every pocket. You can say I'm G'd up. I don't know you niggas, but I'm gonna know y'all. Bitch, have a feeling like Pinky give a porno star dick. I don't know about y'all, but I'm on that hard shit. I put in overtime, nigga. You ain't on your job, bitch. Slash got up out of prison, start recording off rip. Promise her the world, but all I gave that hoe was hard dick. And if the slut hot, I shove cop in her till her guts pop. Put her in the fuck block, slap her on the butt top. You can't play, you must watch. Bench warmer, bus stop. Had to run your luck, stop. It's out. I go in, you get out, you get out. I go in, you get out, you get out. I go in, you get out, you get out. Now get out, now get out, now get out, now get out. Yeah, get the fuck out, cause I'm going in, exploding. I can't hold it and ain't gotta ask. You know it's him, you know it's us, regurgitating money. I just throw it up, pockets like a black eye, cause they all swollen up. Hold it up, I know you punks the type of niggas I would bury. See you niggas, I see bitches. Tyler Perry, them dudes kinda scary. A bunch of spineless fairies, don't let them find them. Hear me? They will find them buried. Yeah, my mind is deadly, call me a psychopath. Don't like your ass? It could get ugly as a motorcycle crash. A quick thinker, I write too fast. A syrup drinker, I move too slow. My juice do blow, I blew too old. But that there is the usual. I'm moving blow, rolling sour, Tula blow. Smoke you cowards, you should know. Cool it, bro, I use your hoe. She both the hours. My body's soaked in power. I need the coldest shower. Hop out and search your deodorant. Lotion. I go in, you get out, you get out. I go in, you get out, you get out. I go in, you get out, you get out. Now get out, now get out, now get out, now get out. Yeah, I will murder a song. All of my verses are strong. Diss me and you whack. You don't deserve a response. Let's see you piss your pants soon as the burners is drawn. When the burners is drawn, you'll need the surgeons involved. And the coroner too. You don't want to war with the crew. I say, psst, get him. Then my dog's gonna chew. New York Knicks watch. It's orange and blue. Sick ride, they diagnose my car with the flu. Be with straight gorillas, they belong in a zoo. Live by the gun, die by the same, that's what karma would do. My kid's expensive, I got an alarm on my shoe. We often subdued to the pain that all of us knew. You nice furniture in a fucked up place. I won't stop like a car with fucked up brakes. Feeling on your bitch, she feeling on my dick. Listen, I am sick, niggas listen to my shit. That's I go in, you get out, you get out. I go in, you get out, you get out. I go in, you get out, you get out. Now get out.